I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy.
Hello ladies, and welcome to today's video where we are taking just a quick break from the cluttering and I'm going to show you my evening cleaning routine. I am a full-time working mom from home, so the first thing I do is clean my desk before I start dinner prep or anything else that I need to do that day. And today's video is a very special one because it's a collaboration with Jessica, who is another working mom here on YouTube creating content that is similar to mine with cleaning, routines, organization. So I will like Jessica to introduce herself, and as soon as you are done watching this video, head over to her channel. I'm gonna have her link down below and watch her evening cleaning routine as well.
Hello, my name is Jessica. My channel's name is Jessica Vaughan. I will also be making a evening cleaning routine, and I am a full-time working mom to one little girl. She's 3, and I also make cleaning and organizing videos. So after you're done watching this video, I hope you will jump over and watch mine.
So let your guard down, and I say,
So you are definitely getting a double cleaning motivation today, and I am so excited to be able to do this collaboration with Jessica. It is so fun to see how other moms are doing their cleaning routine, so definitely make sure you check it down below. And if you are coming from Jessica's channel, welcome. My name is Marta. I am a full-time working mom of 2. I have a 9-year-old and almost 6-year-old. And my channel is all about cleaning, decluttering, organizing, just routines and household management for working moms. So I hope you like this video and subscribe for more. So the day I have recorded this video was Tuesday, and Tuesday is the easier day for us, meaning we don't have as many after-school activities. So this is the day when I will typically cook dinner that takes a bit longer. So, and when I say a bit longer, it's usually about 30 to 40 minutes. So it's still not too long, but I definitely don't cook every evening. It's usually every other day, and the rest of the days we eat leftovers or something very quick. So I just wanted to put it out there that this is not every night routine, but I try to kind of match our, evenings with the types of dinner I'm gonna cook. So I am not constantly rushed, because clearly when you cook a lot, you use a lot of pots and dishes, and then you have to, take care of the leftovers, then you have to take care of all the dishes, all the mess you have made. So it's not that you're just looking for the time to cook, but you have to create the time to clean up after you cook. So let me know how that looks like in your house. Do you cook every night, or do you do every other night? Do you utilize a lot of crock-pot meals? Let me know how it looks like for you.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters.
And I did say at the beginning of this video that we are taking a quick break from decluttering, meaning I have a lot of content about decluttering. That's what I'm doing lately on my channel here. So definitely make sure that you are subscribed down below if that is the content you are interested in. We are basically going through the entire house and using the declutter like another method to kind of declutter the house the way it's supposed to be decluttered instead of just organizing my mess. And as I was creating this evening cleaning routine, when I was watching it back, there are definitely things that I am noticing that, decluttering specific things would help me make those evenings less hectic. Because if you are anything like me, evenings just are stressful. There's a lot of things that I do after work. Kids have after school activities, there's homework, dinner, making sure that they are ready for the next day, that I am ready for the next day. It's just a lot of things, and clutter does not help with that. For me, clutter adds to it. If I have to, even something, simple as, not finding the spice that I want, or not finding the bowl that I need, or utensil, or having to move few things to get to it. Things like that are just, they're little tiny things, but they keep on adding up. And then I find myself just being anxious and stressed out and just not being a nice person to be around when I get to that point. So I think the decluttering is going to help with that. Just getting rid of those little stresses throughout the day, especially when I am rushed, when I know I can find things, when I know exactly what everything is, and I don't have to move clutter to get there. I think that's going to be extremely helpful. And the next thing I wanted to do is clear off that kitchen island, which if you are watching my videos for a while, that is definitely my dumping ground. And one of the things I definitely am still working on is figuring out how to get rid of that clutter I am in right now. It's my husband's, but I think it's stuff that he uses every day. He has an office space, if you will, in our living or dining room table. So I think I'm still looking for some sort of a container that has like a cover on the top, so he can put it in. It looks like part of the decor, and it still stays there because he needs it, but it's not kind of an eyesore to look at. And I also am folding some towels. I have actually started not doing laundry during the week. I wait until like Thursday night. Usually Fridays are, either I have a day off every other Friday or it's a shorter day. So then I can, kind of start my weekend routine on Thursday night. And that day I didn't do laundry. I just found it in the laundry room. It was already washed. I just forgot to fold it over the weekend. So, yeah, real life for you right here.
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing.
And vacuuming is definitely not an every night routine. I am wanting it to be, if I'm being honest. It's just not feasible for me to do it every night. But our puppy sheds a lot. She's going through like stages. Sometimes she sheds, sometimes she doesn't. But because of that, I feel like I need to vacuum more often. And this particular night, we had a dog training coming over to our house later on. And I just, I knew we were going to sit on the floor a lot, and I just needed to vacuum before she got there. So it's not an every night routine, but I definitely need to vacuum more in our house. And I also realized I didn't water my plants in a while. Another thing I have to get into a routine of having a day of the week where I water my plants, because right now it's kind of, when I remember. So let me know both of those things. How often do you vacuum? And do you have houseplants? If you do you have like a routine that you water them on a specific day of the week? Or are you like me and just when I remember and they're not looking so great, then you water them? So let me know. And lastly, what I wanted to do is kind of clear off all those clean dishes. I typically just let them dry, but there was just so many of them that I decided to put them away. And especially I knew we had, the dog trainer coming over, so I didn't want all that clutter, even though they were clean dishes, to be laying around. So I did clear that off, and once I did the pots, I just kept going and put everything away. And I definitely did a lot of like decluttering and organizing of my kitchen in my past videos. So there are parts of the kitchen that are very easy for me to put things away, like those pots, very easy. Because a few months ago I went through them, got rid of anything I wasn't using, so I really have just the basics. But there are also parts of my kitchen that need some extra attention. So in my upcoming videos, you are definitely gonna see that. I'm gonna be going through my spices cabinet. I'm gonna be going through the cabinet where we had like wine glasses and just regular glasses, where I know I have a lot of stuff that I don't use. And I could really use that space to store things that I actually need handy in my kitchen, and I don't do that because it's cluttered with things I don't use. So definitely stay tuned for that. And of course, it is just awesome to finish cleaning the kitchen, finish the cleaning routine with wiping down the counter space. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.